I am in this room, yet I am gone from our world. I am in the void. I have the feeling of being everywhere. I move 1,000,000,000 miles with a thought. I have no emotion.
Which way is right? Which way is wrong? How do I say it?